I'm Nikki from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008 Allura. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, dual zone climate control, along with front and rear parking aids, and that does include a rear colour camera. You've also got an electronic handbrake and cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's take a very quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a minimum 6 months warranty with breakdown assistance. Here at Howard's we like to tailor your experience depending on your individual requirements, whether that be by using our Howard's Click and Collect service, Howard's Home Delivery, or even the traditional appointment at our showroom where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. If you'd like any more information on this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.